Let us solve this time and work problem. It says that A is 20% more efficient than B, and together they finish the task, any given task, in 12 days, right? How many days would B take alone to complete the same work? So what I'm going to do, what if I assume that B does 1 unit per day? That we can do, right? एक दिन का काम 1 unit हो गया. So now problem says that A is 20% more efficient. If A is 20% more efficient, A is going to be doing 20% more work than that of B, is it not? So if B does 1 unit, A is going to be doing 1 unit plus 20% of that 1 unit. If you simplify this, probably you're going to get what? 1.20 units per day, isn't it? So we know 1 day work of A and then 1 day of work of B, and together A and B, as per our understanding, 1.2 plus 1, it is going to be what? 2.2 units per day. And in how many days? They are going to be completing the work together? यहाँ पे देके रखा है कितना? 12 days. So can I say that total work out here is going to be 12 into 2.2. Why 2.2 into 12? भाई एक दिन का काम कितना है? 2.2 units. कितने दिन में काम खत्म किया? 12 days में किया, तो 12 into 2.2. If you simplify this, you're gonna get what? 26.4 units. And that is the total work. किसी से करा लो, कैसे करा लो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, बट काम होना चाहिए, isn't it? Now the problem says how long B would take to complete the work. What is the total work? 26.4, right? And B does 1 unit per day. So B को कितना समय लगेगा भाई? 1 unit करने में B is taking 1 day. So 26.4 units work will be done in how many days by B? 26.4. That is the right answer. Your option number A is the right answer. That's it. Isn't it simple?